What you're about to witness is a profound connection to ancient craftsmanship. One individual's unwavering dedication reveals the transformative power of the human spirit. Every cut, every measurement, every shaping of wood tells a hidden story. From raw timber to refined structure, observe a dance of precision and perseverance. This isn't just construction. It's an astonishing testament to skill passed through generations. Prepare to be captivated as simple materials unveil their true potential in masterful hands. The journey begins with meticulous measurement, ensuring structural integrity. Precision is paramount, laying the foundation for lasting creations. A chainsaw carves initial grooves, preparing the timber for intricate joints. Each stroke of the chisel and hammer reveals the artisan's dexterity. The careful hollowing of wood demands intense focus and practiced skill. Every carved groove is vital, ensuring a perfect fit for the assembly. Persistent repetition of precise actions slowly brings the vision to life. Each small advancement contributes to the grand, unfolding design. With an axe or chisel, the artisan refines the timber, shaping its destiny. The rhythmic sound of the saw fills the air as wood is transformed. Delicate chipping and carving reveal the intricate details of joinery. Careful measurements guide the artisan through each step of the process. The work unfolds outdoors, surrounded by nature's embrace. A woman meticulously arranges cut and planed timbers, a framework taking shape. Her hands, skilled and resolute, fit each piece into its destined place. The art of shaping wood for perfect joinery is a testament to experience. Power tools modernize the process, enhancing efficiency without losing tradition. A Husqvarna chainsaw slices through timber, a symbol of strength and precision. With chisel and small hammer, a delicate hole is meticulously crafted. Every detail counts, emphasizing the artisan's precise touch. The work unfolds against the backdrop of a rustic wooden home. The harmony between the builder and her natural environment is profound. Amidst lush greenery, the structure slowly rises, a labor of love. Joints are meticulously adjusted, ensuring every piece aligns perfectly. The chisel and hammer shape the future of these wooden connections. An intimate view of the joinery highlights the precision involved. Powerful hands guide the chisel, cutting precise grooves. The results speak for themselves, a robust and perfectly assembled structure. A versatile artisan, now cutting timber on a concrete slab. Modern planing tools meet traditional woodworking by the fence. Efficiency meets craftsmanship as she smooths the wood. On a simple wooden table, her diligent work continues, piece by piece. Arranging finished timbers, each step a preparation for the next stage. Close inspection of the joints ensures unwavering strength and accuracy. Timbers are meticulously stacked, nearing the final assembly. The culmination of her labor, a beautifully constructed wooden framework. With a large hammer, a woman secures timber into a robust frame. Her hands adjust a large timber, readying it for the final fastening. A partial frame stands tall, a moment of well-earned satisfaction. She moves large timbers, orchestrating the next phase of construction. Precise tapping with a small hammer secures intricate wooden dowels. Adjusting the wooden joints, her focus creates a complex framework. A modern drill now secures the timbers, bridging old and new techniques. Sawing and fine-tuning timbers, she ensures every fit is perfect. The work area is meticulously cleaned, preparing for new progress. Two women collaborate, lifting a substantial section of the wooden frame. One builds a brick wall, carefully laying each element. Together, they install a door frame, a seamless partnership. Another section of the wooden frame is lifted into place by united effort. The roof structure takes shape under their coordinated movements. Layer by layer, the roof progresses, a testament to their teamwork. The rhythm of construction continues, securing each beam. A single builder meticulously works on the intricate wooden framework. Two women collaborate, fitting together another segment of the structure. Focused and alone, she continues to assemble the wooden skeleton. The wooden frame nears completion, a grand structure emerging. Amidst the green forest, a new structure takes form under two pairs of hands. On the roof, a woman meticulously drills, her focus unwavering. A synchronized effort, one on the roof, the other supporting below. With a saw, she custom fits timbers directly on the rising roof. The entire structure grows amidst the tranquil forest setting. Their collaboration is evident, fitting large timbers with seamless effort. Precise cuts shape the wood, ensuring every piece contributes to the whole. A brief respite in a simple wooden shelter, a moment of calm. A sweeping view of nature's beauty surrounds the evolving construction. Red corrugated metal sheets await their placement, ready for the roof. The roofing begins, one woman carefully laying each red panel. With a drill, she secures the metal sheets firmly to the wooden frame. Inspecting and adjusting, she ensures the roof is perfectly aligned. Each sheet is carefully placed, building a protective canopy. The roof nears completion, a testament to diligent effort. The completed red roof stands out vividly against the green landscape. On the finished roof, she performs final touches, cleaning or refining. A sweeping view confirms the completion of the striking red-roofed structure. Another angle reveals the structure's impressive, finished form. The completed building stands proudly, a culmination of hard work. On the vibrant red roof, a young woman meticulously drills, focused on perfection. The finished, red-roofed structure nestled amongst the dense forest is a sight to behold. A newly constructed wooden and tin porch stands ready, sturdy and precise. Collecting various stones from a forest path, her work is never done. She carefully selects timbers from a large pile, each piece chosen with purpose. Measuring and assembling timbers on the ground, a meticulous process. The construction of a small wooden fence, piece by piece. The porch structure progresses, a testament to ongoing effort. Using a drill, she secures components of the porch, ensuring stability. The porch structure, now partially complete, stands gracefully by a small pond. Working with small timbers, she cuts and smooths them with precision. On a ladder, she hammers nails into the porch roof, securing each piece. Using a drill on the porch roof, her focused work continues. From the ground, she meticulously repairs a section of the porch. On the ladder, she installs another part of the porch, piece by piece. A tarpaulin offers temporary protection to the evolving structure. The porch structure, nearing completion, stands as a testament to progress. She smooths the timber with a grinder, refining its surface. The drill sings as she secures another section of the porch. The porch construction reaches its near completion, a remarkable achievement. In an outdoor workspace, a woman meticulously smooths a wooden post with an angle grinder. Focused and resolute, dust rises as she continues to refine the timber. Having finished grinding, she surveys her work, moving amidst tools and timber. Paints and materials are assembled: deep brown, pale, yellow, black, and rust. She meticulously prepares the red paint sprayer, ensuring it's ready for action. Inspecting a raw earth wall, she considers where the next layer of color will go. The wooden fence is transformed as she skillfully applies paint with the sprayer. With careful, even strokes, the fence receives its new, protective coat. Reaching higher, she paints another wooden post, extending her reach. The porch receives its finish, painting even the most challenging spots. Having completed the painting, she surveys her vibrant, revitalized workspace. A blue and white tarpaulin is carefully folded, tidying the construction site. Water boils on a rustic outdoor stove, creating a comforting atmosphere. She pushes a wheelbarrow laden with building materials, moving them across the site. Earth is unloaded onto the floor, preparing for the next construction phase. A neatly stacked pile of orange-red bricks awaits its purpose. Shoveling earth into the wheelbarrow, she diligently prepares for new tasks. Compacting earth on the floor with her feet, a subtle act of foundation building. Pushing the filled wheelbarrow, she navigates the evolving landscape. The construction area is cleaned and prepared as twilight descends. With a laser level, a woman precisely marks the new construction area. Guided by the laser, she meticulously lays red bricks on the prepared ground. Close up on her hands, carefully setting each brick into mortar. She spreads mortar with a trowel, building a new brick structure, possibly a kill. From a wider perspective, the brick structure steadily rises. Her hands, a blur of motion, expertly apply mortar to each brick. Retrieving mortar from the wheelbarrow, her work is continuous. Under a wooden canopy, the structure grows even as light rain falls. Adding mortar with precision, the structure gains form and height. Guided by the laser, she continues building brick by careful brick. A close-up reveals her adding new bricks, guided by the precise laser line. The brickwork progresses, showcasing her steady hand and unwavering focus. Layer upon layer, the structure grows, each brick perfectly set. More mortar is applied, smoothing the way for the next course of bricks. The laser guides her as the structure takes on its full, intended shape. Each brick finds its place, contributing to a robust and lasting construction. The artisan's precise work defines the edges of the growing structure. Another layer of mortar secures the latest additions to the brick. With unwavering precision, the structure nears its completion. She fills the inner chamber of the structure, likely a stove or oven, with earthen material. Her hands skillfully knead light brown clay on a red brick surface, preparing for its purpose. She mixes a large quantity of reddish-brown clay in a wheelbarrow. Bamboo poles are inserted into the partially built brick oven, then dampened with a red sprayer. With a shovel, she clears earth and brick fragments under a wooden awning. Continuing to clear debris, her dedicated work shapes the outdoor space. She pushes a wheelbarrow full of earth and debris across the outdoor yard. Near the concrete wash basin, she again shovels earth and brick fragments. Scooping earth into the wheelbarrow, she continues her meticulous clearing. A bag of pale gray cement is poured onto the ground, ready for mixing. With a shovel, she expertly blends cement, earth, and water into a dark gray mixture. The mixture becomes lighter and more uniform as she continues to blend. She spreads the cement mixture evenly across the ground with the shovel. Using a long wooden plank, she carefully smooths the cement surface to perfection. With a trowel, she meticulously spreads the cement along the wall's edge. white-gray marble pattern tiles are carefully laid onto the fresh cement. Each tile is precisely set, creating a neat and uniform surface. The trowel works its magic, ensuring the cement meets the wall's edge flawlessly. She uses a cloth to gently wipe away excess cement, leaving the tiles pristine. Water is poured into a small pond, refreshing the serene garden. The final touches of tiling, each piece carefully placed for enduring beauty. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, KHC Min, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.